Confronted by robbers in Jamaica, now Susquehanna Valley missionaries back home and talking to News 8 about being threatened with an axe and a machete. Good evening, I'm Ron Martin.
And I'm Kim Lemon. We first told you about the attack involving Lebanon County missionaries visiting Jamaica when it happened last week. Tonight, News 8's Lebanon County reporter Barbara Barr learned about the moments of terror firsthand.
This is after the robbery actually happened that afternoon.
Pastor Anthony Harris is grateful to be alive after a missionary trip to Jamaica ended with he and his team standing face to face with armed robbers threatening them.
Then walked four guys that had masks on, and one was armed with an axe, a machete, and two knives, and demanding money, telling us not to move, lay back down, we're not going to hurt you, we're here just want money.
No one was hurt, but the robbers got away with several $1,000s in cash and electronics.
It can be very traumatizing.
It was a lot more than the members of God's Missionary Church in Lebanon bargained for, but Harris believes the way they reacted helped keep them safe.
I believe it was the best thing we could have done is what we did. Nobody got hurt.
The team that ranged in age from 9 to 63 went to a remote section of Jamaica to teach Bible school and hold sermons.
We felt safe and, going to that point.
Instead, they wound up making headlines and on TV. Here's a report from a Jamaican television station.
Anthony Harris, a youth pastor from Lebanon in Pennsylvania.
Police have two people in custody. Harris says team members leaned on their faith, each other, and their hosts for strength.
The people there in the community were amazing. And the congregation that we were ministering with, joining forces with there ministering, they were very, supportive.
While Harris says he returned to Jamaica in a heartbeat, he will take more precautions in the future.
We thought we'd done enough, but of providing, a little more security, especially, in these areas.
A close call, the pastor says, has brought these missionaries closer to God. In Lebanon, Barbara Barr, News 8.
The missionaries plan to talk about their trip to the congregation this Sunday at 6:30 in the Family Life Center.